While visiting the dentist to have a cavity properly treated, there are a few additional steps you can take to help slow the growth of cavities, to prevent them from becoming deep or painful. A cavity that is left without proper treatment can get worse and eventually grow deeper into the tooth, reach the nerve and causing great pain and even more significant damage. These remedies can help to provide some relief and support your oral health. Oil of oregano to stop decay. Some people have achieved good results by using oil of oregano as a natural antiseptic to prevent tooth decay. A study in 2008 discovered that one of the naturally occurring compounds found in oregano had strong antimicrobial properties. You can brush with oil of oregano daily to help slow the growth of cavities and prevent further tooth decay from forming. Establish a healthy pH level with xylitol. Xylitol is a natural sweetener that can help to prevent the spread of bacteria and prevent tooth decay. For these reasons, it is often used as an ingredient in toothpaste. Xylitol is derived from plant fibers and can break down sugar to keep the pH levels in your mouth neutral. It also helps to stop bacteria in the mouth from emitting the acid that causes tooth decay and cavities, while also making it more difficult for these bacteria to stick to the teeth, gums, and other areas inside the mouth. Clove oil for pain relief and prevention. Cloves are an established natural remedy to treat toothache. Use a cotton swab to apply 1 or 2 drops of the oil directly on the spot of the tooth cavity and allow it to soak in. Clove oil had been used very often before the modern advances of dental practices to treat both the pain of a cavity and to restore enamel. The oil produces a numbing effect to combat pain and can help your tooth retain minerals. You can apply it every 2 to 3 hours as needed or add a few drops to a teaspoon of coconut oil and swirl it around in your mouth. Are you enjoying the video so far? If so, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. We have much more healthy content. Where this came from. Neem bark to fight infection. You can brush with neem sticks or chew on the leaves or seeds to destroy cavity-causing bacteria. The powerful oil in this plant has a long history as a remedy for oral infections, tooth decay, and for preventing bleeding and sore gums. All over India, neem twigs are used as chewing sticks to reduce oral bacteria and naturally clean and whiten teeth and even fight bad breath. Green tea is a natural fluoride treatment. Drinking unsweetened, or at least sugar-free, green tea daily can help to eliminate harmful bacteria buildup in your mouth. Green tea contains a decent amount of naturally occurring fluoride which acts as a decay preventative. You can even use green tea to gargle or swish with it to use it as a mouthwash. Just be sure not to replace your actual mouthwash with green tea, and only use it as a supplemental mouthwash in addition to your primary mouthwash. Keep teeth healthy with licorice root. Chewing on licorice root can help slow tooth decay. Licorice root is a natural antimicrobial that inhibits the bacteria that cause cavities to form and grow. Keep in mind that licorice root is not the same as licorice candy. Rather, this is the actual root of the herb itself from which the candy is flavored. You can often find Chinese licorice root at your local health food store combined with other ingredients to enhance its toxicity-fighting properties, treat tooth decay, and gum disease. Diet changes to reduce bacteria. In addition to remedies, general dietary changes can also help to slow the advance of tooth decay. If you are regularly consuming sweet, sugary snacks and sweetened drinks such as fruit juices or sodas, you are helping the tooth decay to spread by feeding the harmful bacteria. Consider reducing your consumption of sugary snacks and beverages and use a straw when you do consume things like soda and fruit juice, so the sticky sugars bypass your teeth. It is a good idea to brush and floss immediately afterward, perhaps followed up by a good antibacterial mouthwash. The idea here is to prevent sugar residue from remaining in your mouth and feeding the bacteria, which will allow them to multiply and spread. Nothing beats good dental hygiene habits. All of the above are remedies that can help to treat a problem that has already developed, but the best defense is a good offense. Proper dental hygiene habits, including daily brushing and flossing and regular dental checkups, are the best ways to prevent problems from starting. Make sure to brush at least twice each day, floss carefully, and use a good mouthwash product regularly. Ideally, you should brush and floss each day before bed and after getting up in the morning, as well as after each meal. Use mouthwash at least 2 times per day to help slow the development of tooth decay. Tooth decay is easily one of the most prevalent chronic diseases in the U.S. Using all the remedies at your disposal will help you maintain optimal oral health and a confident smile you will want to share. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please take a moment to subscribe. Leave a comment with suggestions for future videos. We love giving you actionable health advice and remedies.